Hey, Mouseketeers! So for the Disney 100, they came out with some Disney 100 Vinylmation figures. Now, these were discontinued in the theme parks a couple years ago, but they've randomly released some here and there. Like for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, they did a Mickey and Minnie figure. But for Disney 100, they did these 5 figures at Target. So these are Vinylmation figures. And we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes here that we're going to unbox. Hopefully we get all 6. We'll see. As long as I get Mickey and Minnie, I'm happy. But let's try unboxing these and see what we get. Well, Mouseketeers, we opened 8 boxes of the Disney 100 figures, and we got 4 different figures, but we got exact duplicates of 4 different figures. So out of the 8, we got 4 and 4 duplicates. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of these Disney Vinylmation Disney 100 figures. Again, you can get these at Target.com. I'll put the link in the description below. And as always, will you please click the subscribe button? And if you already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you real soon, Mouseketeers. Stay tuned for the end as we scroll over everything that we unboxed.